So students, now I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 8.2. Now question number 8 says the price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charge on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Binod will have to pay if he buys it. Now here price of a TV is given, which is 13,000. Now sales tax charge on it is 12%. Now what do you mean by sales tax? Sales tax is an amount of money which is added to the cost of the product. So if a customer want to buy a TV or any item, he or she has to pay the amount which is the cost of that item, and along with that he has to pay the sales tax also. So here we will have to find the amount that Binod will have to pay if he buys it. If the cost of a TV is 13,000 and sales tax charge on it is 12%, then we will have to find that how much he has to pay if he buys it. Okay. Now the price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Now we have to find the sales tax. So sales tax, as I said, it is the tax which customer have to bear, okay, if they want to buy any item. Okay, so here sales tax is 12% of the price of the item. Like here price of a TV is 13,000, so we can find the sales tax by multiplying the percentage into the price of any item. Like here in this case cost of a TV is 13,000, so we will have to find the 12% of 13,000 to get the sales tax. So if you cut the zeros, we have 12 13s are 36, 3 carry, 12 ones are 12, 13 14 15, and we have 1 0, so it's 1,560 rupees, which is the sales tax. So if a customer want to buy this TV which cost 13,000 rupees, then they have to pay the tax also, which rupees 1,560. So Binod will have to pay the price of a TV which is 13,000, and along with this he has to pay the tax also. So the price of a TV is rupees 13,000, and along with this he has to pay the tax which is of 1,560 rupees. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1. So it's 14,560 rupees. So that means Binod will have to pay rupees 14,560 rupees if he wants to buy the TV. So this is the price of TV and this is the tax. So these tax customer only have to bear. Okay, if they want to buy any item, then they have to bear, like they have to pay the amount which is the cost of that item. Along with that they have to pay the tax also, which is called sales tax. So Binod will have to pay rupees 14,560 rupees if he wants to buy the TV. Okay, though the price of a TV is 13,000, but he has to pay the tax also, which is of 1,560 rupees. So customer only have to bear these taxes. Okay, and this is called sales tax. If they want to buy any item, they have to pay the price of that item, and along with this they have to pay the tax also. Okay, so this was all about question number 8. Now coming to question number 9. Now question number 9 says Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the mark price. So what do you mean by mark price? Mark price means the price which is printed in the price tag. Okay, so after 20% discount was 20%. After 20% discount he paid rupees 1600. So rupees 1600 is the amount which he paid after discount, and we will have to find the original price, means the price before discount. Okay, so let us consider the mark price be X. Okay, suppose the cost of any item is 100 rupees. Okay, so that means this is the mark price, and after suppose 20 rupees is the discount. Okay, so that means how much money you are paying? It's 100 minus 80, it's 100 minus 20 is 80 rupees. That means discount to be subtracted from the mark price to get the amount which is to be paid to the shopkeeper. Now similarly here, mark price is X. Now we will have to find the discount. So discount percentage is given, which is 20%. Now always remember to we can find the discount, and discount is always on the mark price. Okay, so we can find by multiplication. So 20% of the mark price is the discount. So how much is the discount? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So X by pi. So this is the discount. Now mark price is X. From there, if you deduct the discounted price, then you will get the price which is to be paid. And how much he paid? It's rupees 1600. So X minus X by 5 is equals to 1600 according to the question. So here if we consider as X, so 5 ones are 5. Now 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 multiplied by the numerator, which is 5x, minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into x is equals to 1600. Now 5x minus x is 4x divided by 5 is equals to 1600. Now what will be the value of x? See here, 4 by 5 is multiplied by x. So after going to another side, it will be the reciprocal because we are dividing that. So 4 by 5 will be 5 by 4. It will be just the reciprocal. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and 2 zeros. So 4 fives are 20 and 2 zeros. So it's 2000 rupees. So that means what was the original price or mark price? It was 20,000. So therefore the mark price was rupees 20,000, rupees 2000. Okay, so this was the mark price, and on that 20% discount they have provided. So after discount he paid rupees 1600. Okay, so this was question number 9. Thank you, students.